Hello and welcome to this episode of Zof Talks Photography. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how to make your FujiFilm a webcam. So recent updates have come out. You may have heard Canon being the first, I think, but we don't all shoot Canon. So they basically released an app which lets you use your existing camera as a webcam. You don't get the full functionality, as in it's not the full 60 frames a second high definition, but it's enough because at the moment I'm using my Canon here as a webcam, so you can see the type of quality you can achieve from it, which is perfectly fine for most daily activities, Skype, Zoom, etc. But luckily Fujifilm have made a nice video to accompany their tool. So it's called the Fujifilm X webcam tool, and Billy Young explains it very nicely in his video, so I'll link you to that to show you how to use that. But if you haven't heard about the news, I thought I'd share it with you so you can actually make it to that video. And he explains the settings and how you can set up the camera to be able to use it as a webcam. You basically plug it in via USB, and that gives you the option to have a webcam which you may not have otherwise had, or it saves you money to buy another webcam, because the quality will be superior to a standard webcam that you would normally get. So I'm hoping you find that interesting and useful. I'll link you to this playlist here, which will give you more information about other cameras, because Panasonic have a similar app which allows you to use your mobile phone to transfer photos. Canon has an EOS webcam tool. So we'll keep a close eye on this updates, because everybody seems to be getting on this at the moment, which is good news for us. See you on one of these videos.